Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our chapter number 2 of science, that is the nutrition in plant. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the amount of food which give energy, right? Now we all know that plants are also a living being. Plants are also a living being. So it also require nutrients, right? So those we will study in this chapter about the nutrient of the plants. So here we go. Chapter number 2. Nutrition in plants. See, there are two modes of nutrition in plants. The first one is the autotroph and the second one is the heterotrophs. The first one is the autotroph. And the second one is the heterotroph. Okay. Auto means self, अपने आप. Hetero means other. Auto means self. जब प्लांट अपने आप अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स को गेन कर लेगा, खुद ही प्रिपेयर करेगा, राइट? खुद प्रिपेयर करेगा by the process of the photosynthesis, right? Heterotroph means others, in which plants have to depend on other mode of nutrition for gaining the nutrients. For example, saprophytic nutrition is there, parasitic is there. We will study them one by one. Okay. So firstly we will start from the autotroph. First we will take the autotroph. So here we go. Autotroph. As I have told you now only that autotroph means to prepare food by itself. It doesn't have to depend on other organism for food. दूसरे organism पे depend नहीं होना पड़ेगा, ये अपना food जो है खुद ही prepare कर लेगा, right? So autotroph में हम कैसे plant कैसे अपना food prepare करता है? By the process of the photosynthesis. By the process of the photosynthesis. Now question arises कि what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis क्या है? Right? So what is photosynthesis? Let us take a plant over here. I'm drawing roughly a plant over here. Right? This is a plant. Sun. Fine. And here its roots are there. So this is a plant and it's through the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So we are here on the photosynthesis process. What actually photosynthesis process is? So photosynthesis process is a process in which plants make use of sunlight. किसका यूज करेगा वो? Sunlight, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और रूट से क्या एब्सॉर्ब करता है? वाटर. It makes use of these three essential things for preparing its food. If we talk about what is the chemical reaction of the photosynthesis, so here is the chemical reaction of the photosynthesis. That is the what plants take? Carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of sunlight, and plants has an organ that is the chlorophyll. Because of the chlorophyll only photosynthesis process is used in plants, green plants. So क्या बनेगा? Plants हमें अब क्या देंगे? After using this, they will prepare the food, and what is the food? That is the glucose, and glucose formula is the C6H12O6. C6H12O6, right? And it also gave us a very essential thing, that is the oxygen. So basically this is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis process, right? So this is the carbon dioxide. I am writing its name over here. Carbon dioxide, water. This is the formula of glucose, or you can say food. And this is oxygen. This is oxygen. This is the photosynthesis process which come under the autotroph mode of nutrition, and autotroph nutrition is a mode of nutrition which is used by our green plants, right? So we have done the autotrophic mode of nutrition in the nutrition of plant. Now this is the turn of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So here we go. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, there are the various type of mode of nutrition. We will take them one by one, and I will discuss it to you one by one. Fine. So first one is the, what is the first one of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition? First of all, we should know what is the definition of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, right? The first one is the, what is heterotrophic mode of nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which plants take its nutrients from the other organism. Now the first one is the, let us take first heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is the insectivorous. Insectivorous mode of nutrition. What is insectivorous mode of nutrition? As its name explain itself, that plants takes its nutrients from the insects, and there are some examples of insectivorous nutrients, that is the sundew plant, pitcher plant. These are the two modes, examples of the insectivorous plants. Basically what they do, they use to attract the insects. ये insects को attract करते हैं, and when the insects sit on it, they trap the insects and take the nutrients from it. जो भी nutrients उस particular insect के अंदर थे, they will gain that nutrient. So this is all about the insectivorous mode of nutrition. Why these plants use such type of mode of nutrition? Because they are most of the plants which come under the insectivorous category, they do not perform photosynthesis process, right? So for their growth they need nutrients which is gained by the various insects, right? So first we have done of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is the insectivorous nutrition, right? Now second one. What is the second one? The second one is the parasitic. The second one is the parasitic mode of nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, a particular plant climb up on other plant and gain the nutrients from that particular plant. I am drawing a diagram over here. Suppose this is a plant, this is a tree, green plant, and one more plant climb over it, right? And this climber, ये जो climb किया है जिस plant ने, it will start gaining the nutrients from this particular plant, And what is this particular plant? This particular plant is known as the host plant, right? And this climber is known as the parasite. So this climber is take its nutrients from the parasitic mode of nutrition. And let us take some examples of it. We can also take an example of the amar bale. Have you ever heard about this? Amar bale. Basically, this plant climb up on another plant and gain its nutrients from that host plant, right? So such type of nutrition come under the category of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and its subcategory is the parasitic mode of nutrition. So here we have discussed two mode of nutrition of the heterotrophic. The first one is the insectivorous and the second one is the parasitic. Now the next one is the saprophytic. Saprophytic. What is saprophytic? Saprophytic mode of nutrition is a nutrition in which a plant gain its nutrients obviously from the other organism, but that other organism is a dead organism. Means plant जो है वो अपने जो nutrients हैं वो different organism से gain करेगा, but जो different organism है वो क्या होगा? Dead, मरा हुआ होगा, right? Such type of mode of nutrition is known as the saprophytic mode of nutrition. Let us take some example of this saprophytic mode of nutrition. And such example is the microorganism in which fungi, right? Fungi is an organism which take its nutrients from the dead organism, right? So we have discussed here three parts. That first one is the saprophytic, the second one is the insectivorous, and the third one is the parasitic, right? So this are the heterotrophic mode of nutrition here. Now one important one is left, that is the symbiosis. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis basically is a relationship between the two organisms in which both the organisms are helpful to each other. Means both two living organisms will live together, दोनों ही organism अपने एक साथ रहेंगे, and both will be benefited to each other. दोनों ही एक दूसरे के लिए क्या होंगे? Benefit होंगे, right? Such type of organism is such type of mode of nutrition is called the symbiosis. So we will take here now symbiosis. Symbiosis. This means two organism will live together, right? And both are benefit to each other. Both give benefit to each other, right? Give benefit to each other. इसका जो most important example is the lichen. Have you heard this name before? Yes, obviously. Lichen. So lichen is come under the symbiosis mode of nutrition in which two organisms. Lichen is made up of two organisms. And what are those organisms? The first one is the fungi and the second one is the algae. Fungi, or if we take fungi in the singular form, then what it will be? Fungus. And algae single form is alga. So they both will combine to form lichen. Now question arises, how they are helpful to each other? ये दोनों एक दूसरे से helpful कैसे हैं, right? So what fungi will algae and fungi, they live both each other, they live together each other, in which fungus provide shelter to algae and algae give nutrients to fungi. See, fungi क्या देगा उसको? Shelter, right? And what alga will give, as alga is green in color, so it prepare its food from the photosynthesis process. So it provide its nutrients, some of its nutrients to fungi. So alga provide nutrients, right? In this way both live each other and both are benefit to each other. दोनों ही एक दूसरे के क्या रहेंगे? हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. एक प्रोवाइड करेगा शेल्टर एंड द सेकेंड वन विल प्रोवाइड द food. So this is all about the symbiosis. We have done 4 mode of nutrition which come under the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, right? We have done one by one all of them, and our broad category of the mode of nutrition in plant is autotroph and heterotroph, in which autotroph we have done the photosynthesis process, and in heterotroph we have done 4 mode of nutrition: insectivorous, parasitic, saprophytic, symbiosis. We have done all 4 these, right? So this is all about the chapter nutrition in plant. See you in the next video. Thank you.